Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, you can tell I'm back in my home today for morning assembly. Check it out, I've got my little tiny flag back here. My guitar is holding it up for me. Let's stand up for the Pledge of Allegiance. You please stand at attention. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You guys can go ahead and have a seat. Show me a slant, sit up nice and straight. So last week you had your PLP conference. Almost everyone had their conference. And I heard great things from the teachers. I heard that you guys have shown a ton of growth. I heard that you guys set really awesome goals. And I want to talk about that this week. Last week we talked all about how to set goals. And this week we need to talk about what do you do once you have a goal. So instead of having just one virtue this week, we're actually going to have a few different virtues throughout the week that all help you meet your goal. So the one we're going to talk about today is enthusiasm. This is like being excited for something. You just set your goal last Thursday or Friday. So right now you're probably like, yes, I can do this goal. Or maybe you're thinking, oh my goodness, that goal I set is way too hard. How am I ever going to meet that by the end of the year? But you're thinking about your goal. You haven't forgotten about it. You haven't let too much time go by. And to get enthusiastic and excited about our goal, today I just want you to do this. Picture in your head and pretend that you've already met your goal. What's that going to feel like? What are you going to be able to do? Maybe you set a goal to be a faster reader. And now you realize that when you meet that goal, this summer you're going to be able to just read through a bunch of fun books. You'll be able to read anything you put your eyes on. Maybe your goal is to learn all your math facts. What's that going to feel like when you're finished? Maybe your goal is to start doing all of your homework every single night. Maybe your goal is, I don't know, whatever your goal is. I want you to talk about this morning. What's it going to feel like when you finish your goal? What new abilities will you have? What will you be able to do? And then we're going to talk about, we're going to think about enthusiasm and how you can stay excited to try and reach that goal. Have a great day, Achieve. Bye.